Welcome to video 6 in the Eaton Low Voltage Switchgear Fundamental Series. In this video, we will be covering miscellaneous compartments. In low voltage switchgear, outside of the instrument and breaker compartment, there are several other compartments that add functionality to the lineup, but are optional and dependent on the installation requirements. The first up is a provisional compartment. This is a compartment that has been configured to be used as a breaker cell at some point in the future. The compartment is specified like a standard breaker compartment and is built in a similar fashion. The main difference is the compartment does not come with a breaker installed and has a cover in its place. The second compartment is unique in that you'll find it in the arc-quenching switchgear lineups we talked about in video 2. You know, this guy. The arc-quenching device is the famous blue box that enables arc-quenching switchgear. It can always be found above or below the main breaker. Next is the high-resistance grounding or HRG compartment that contains the relays, alarms, and lights necessary for the grounding system. Typically, the only two items that are not in the compartment are the metering transformers and the grounding resistor, which are usually located in the cable section. The last compartment that we'll cover is the surge protection compartment, which has a surge module. This is where the circuit breakers protect against overcurrent and surge protects against overvoltage to ensure full protection of the electrical system. Next up in the series is video 7, which will take us into the bus section of the switchgear.